Oh, man! I'm not good enough! You have to score! Let's go!
Anderson! Penalty box! 2 minutes!
No! Grace, are you okay? We hurt Grace! It all happened so fast! I didn't even see her! I'm not good enough. Oh no, what did I do? No, no. I can fix it, I'm not good enough. Come on, Riley. Get it together. Come on, Riley. Get it together. I'm not good enough. You have to score, Riley! Or this will all have been for nothing! Anxiety, you're putting too much pressure on her! Oh.
Okay! Recovery!
Sadness!
Joy! Help! Come on! We can do this!
It's not working!
It's anxiety!
Yeah. Anxiety, stop! You don't get to choose who Riley is. Anxiety? You need to let her go. I'm a good person. Joy, I'm sorry. I was just trying to protect her. But you're right. We don't get to choose who Riley is.